Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a couple of little unboxings, something from Louis Vuitton, something from Chanel, little goodies here and there sprinkled throughout, as well as some stories behind them. And I've got my helper here today to my left, my daughter. If you see her hands, she's going to help me unbox some of these goodies. Okay, so for starters, I've got this cute little Louis Vuitton box here, and this was a lovely surprise. It was a gift from Natalie, who is the owner of Organize My Bag. And for those of you who've been watching my channel for a while now, you know I have been a loyal customer of Organize My Bag, and then I started to just promote them and support them just because I like their products. I don't get any kind of commission, nothing like that. We've just become friendly over the past year or so, and I've really enjoyed seeing her company grow, and she's been very supportive of my channel and also on Instagram. So she sent me a couple of goodies, which I'll show you, and then she sent this as a thank you gift, which I don't feel like I even deserve because I didn't do anything other than just speak the truth about how great her products are and just spread the word just like any other customer would. But I really appreciated it. This arrived right in the new year, so it was such a delightful surprise. And I'll show you. Dun, 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 dun. It is my very first Louis Vuitton card holder, my one and only. So it's in the beautiful monogram canvas with this bright pop of fuchsia. Kind of matches my nails today. That was a coincidence. And it's got one slot here, one slot on the other side, and then the opening here. It's brand new, made in Spain. It's so pretty on the inside. I am so smitten. This is, like I said, my very first one and only Louis Vuitton card holder. I was not planning to purchase any more card holders because I have two. So my daughter's going to pass me the two that I have. Thank you. This one here is my Chanel card holder that my husband got for me a long time ago, nearly 20 years ago. It's pretty much vintage now and has held up beautifully. And then this one here is the Camellia card holder that I actually won from a giveaway from a fellow YouTuber, Karis. If you don't know her channel, it's LV Lover CC. She's pretty major in the luxe community. A while back, over a year ago now, I think, I just took a chance and entered the giveaway. First time ever winning a giveaway in my life. And I was so floored. I was shocked when I was announced as the giveaway winner. So this has been really just enjoyable to have two. As you can see, two different sizes I've mentioned in the past. My original one is quite small. It's mini. It's perfect for my mini bags. And then this one's a little bit larger, and it's got one slot here, two slots in the back, and then the opening. So I wasn't going to buy any more card holders. I mean, how many card holders does a person need? Two is more than enough. If I hadn't won this one, I would have just enjoyed this original one for as long as, I can. But now I've got this one, so I've got three. Let me just show you the size comparison. So you can see here that the older Chanel is definitely smaller, which I like for my mini bags. And then these two are more similar in size, with the Camellia being a little bit longer. But how nice is that? So now when I wear my Louis Vuitton bags, like my Pochette Matisse or my Pochette Accessoire or any of my Louis Vuitton bags, I can kind of do like the matchy look of Louis on Louis. And that would be my first. So thank you, Natalie, if you're watching this video. I hope that your business continues to grow and is successful beyond what you ever imagined in 2021, and I will continue to support you. I have a couple of the goodies that I have been using from Organize My Bag. My daughter's going to pass them to me. You probably have seen these before. So the long Vachetta crossbody strap that I use on my Pochette Accessoire, everyone has, so many people have asked me about this one. And I do have a 10% promo code. Again, I don't get anything from this. It's not sponsored in any way, but I usually put the promo code in my description box of nearly every video. I think it's catwalk 10 for 10% off on her Etsy shop. It would only work on her Etsy shop. But she is also available online at her website and on Instagram. So this one here matches perfectly with my Pochette Accessoire. I've used this a lot. And I also have the gold chain, which I love. And that one is this beauty here. So pretty, matches so nicely with the pochette. I did a video a while back, I'll try to insert it up here somewhere, that showed all the different ways that I was using this bag. So versatile. And this one here is so nice because you can single it, double it, or even triple it. So you get so many different looks out of this and really gets the pochette accessoire looking a bit more dressy. So again, if you're interested, go check out Organize My Bag. I really do appreciate all the high quality products offered. And then the new goodies that I got are luggage tags. So this one here is the larger luggage tag with my initials, HP. So nice. It's perfect for any big piece that you have that's in the Louis Vuitton damier bin. And then this one here is in the beautiful Vachetta, also with the gorgeous gold foil hot stamping. And then this one here is, man, there's nothing like virgin Vachetta when it's all like brand spanking new and buttery and soft and pristine. Look at this. And the gold matches perfectly with the gold on Louis Vuitton. You can see, right? It looks like it was match made in heaven. So, well, this one here has patinaed quite a bit because I take this out everywhere in the sun, in the rain, and even though I sprayed Apple Guard, it is quite patinaed after about 1.5 years of use. Here, also hot stamped with my initials. Really pretty. I can use this interchangeably on some of my Louis Vuitton bags, my Speedy, 25, etc. So really happy with my new goodies. Let me just organize here. Okay, so let's move on to that little Chanel bag. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know what that contains, or at least you'll have a hint. So my daughter is going to unbox the Chanel goodie because it's especially related to her. So do you want to go ahead and open that? Okay. I had mentioned on my Instagram, while she's opening, I'll tell the story. I had mentioned on my Instagram, I don't know, recently, probably about a week or two ago, there was an incident. My daughter's fine, but there was an incident. We had a little bit of a scare. And it was kind of like a medical issue. She had an accident and she was 100% fine now, thankfully. But in the moment, you know, as a mom, it's nerve-wracking when any one of your children gets hurt or is sick or anything like that, right? Anyway, soon after, when I knew that she was A-okay and 100% okay and recovering, I happened to be going to Chanel to look up some goodies, especially to spy on the 21P collection. And oh my goodness, she just opened it. She just opened it without any kind of fanfare, no like, and oh, okay. I was hoping she'd be like, da 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 da, but here it is. Okay, so for those of you who know, my daughter's favorite color is green, or has been green for a very long time. She's liked this color since she was like 1 or 2 years old. And it's a very interesting color because, I don't know, a lot of times I think girls stereotypically choose like pink, and then boys stereotypically choose blue. But my son always liked red and orange when he was a kid, like he's still a kid when he was a baby. And my daughter always liked green. So this beautiful, beautiful green, I don't have anything like this in my collection. When I saw it, it immediately made me think of her. And so I shared this with her and told her this will definitely be passed on to her. How do you feel about that? She's doing a thumbs up, but you can't see. So this will be passed on to her. I actually asked her, I was like, do you want to take it out now? We were going shopping and I was like, do you want to just take it with you? Do you want to play with it? And she very maturely said, no, I think I'm too young for this. So just save it for me, which I'm proud as a mom for that answer. I think kids do not need luxury items. But anyway, this color really spoke to me because it had her name written all over it. So this is the all like zip around little, look at that, little card holder / wallet. And you've got 1, 2, 3 open slots. You could put your credit cards, your cash, your coins. I thought it was super cute. I feel like the boy style is more youthful in my mind. It's a bit more contemporary. And again, therefore, it reminded me of my daughter. She's 10 going on 11. And yeah, so it's got the silver hardware. Really pretty, quite nice. So do you want to hold it up? What do you think about it? You like it? You like it? Okay. And then this one here is not an unboxing, obviously. It's just a little goodie. I saved it. I didn't open this because it came in the mail. Chanel keeps sending me these like catalogs and brochures, and they're always so pretty, but I don't know what to do with them. I don't want to like keep them forever because I don't like clutter. So I'd be curious to know what you guys do. I did a poll on my Instagram asking what you do with these, and I think like roughly half of you said that you save them, and the other half of you said you check them. So I'm going to see. For now, I have a nice little place where I stack them up, and it's not too cluttered looking. Oh, this picture, I love this. I actually posted this exact photo on my IG stories not too long ago. So this is the cruise collection. Let me see. What is it? It just like, I feel like Chanel, so sneaky. They send you these things and they keep enticing you like, look what we've got. Look at the new goodies coming out, and make you want, oh, this one, so pretty. I don't have any ready-to-wear pieces from Chanel, but I always admire. They're just so expensive, and I don't know if I can stomach it, but I guess you could also go the vintage route. Some people find some beautiful vintage ready-to-wear pieces. I guess that's an option. How pretty is that? I feel like Chanel is so timeless. The styles just transition from era to era so seamlessly. Of course, there are some really trendy seasonal pieces, but generally I feel like they're very classic. Anyway, this is really pretty. It looks kind of like postcards. Could it be? I guess you could kind of use, oh, it's perforated, so you can kind of tear it. It's perforated, right? Yeah, okay, my daughter noticed it before me. Do you want it? Uh-huh. Yeah, so things like this, you know, I don't know what to do with them. A lot of times my daughter just sort of winds up getting these little knickknacks and plays with them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you've made it this far, I would love for you to subscribe and tune in next time. Thanks so much. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye.